So let's face it, gardening has to be convenient before most of us will do it. I'm speaking for myself for sure. So the more conveniences, the better the odds that I will plant and use it. And believe me, these units have that convenience I'm talking about. First of all, it's high enough. I'm not bending over all the time. Plus, while it's high, it'll keep more of those bugs out, which we always got to think about with, especially with herb gardens like this and salads and leafy green things. We've got about 10 inches for potting soil, and there's drainage underneath. Then down below, see how neat it is? We've got an area to keep our things for storage. And then when everything's grown up so nicely, as you can see, it's still convenient because I don't have to bend over to chop off my chives or get a little basil that I need right here. It makes gardening easy. That's what I love about it. And by the way, the look is nice. We like this weathered look. We've had these for about 2 years. But when I come down here and want some chives or want some basil or want some lettuce, it's just easy. And we're not that far from the kitchen here. I just come and get it and we're done. I don't have to bend over. I don't have to worry about that. It's great. I really like it. Good purchase for us. Highly recommend it.